Hello guys, welcome back. So this is Green Pips FX. Hope you guys mko poa. Karibuni tena. This is Green Pips. If you new, just want to remind you guys, kama wewe ni mgeni katika hii YouTube channel, usisahau kusubscribe katika link yako chini. Don't forget to put a notification, alama ya kengele pembeni yake, and put your like on our video kama video itakuwa favorite kwako. Pia usisahau kushare our YouTube videos kwa wenzako, so as you guys keep sharing some contents, useful content. So niko hapa kufanya breakdown ya EURJPY. Nitafanya top down analysis ya EURJPY to lower time frames ili kupata kujua actual move ya EURJPY on Monday. So tutachukua which action, shorts or long. So let's dig into the chart, starting with the monthly time frame. Nitaweka support yangu around these areas kwa sababu eneo hili lilikuwa ni eneo strong sana kwa ajili ya buyers push market kwenda into uptrend. So on this area tunaona market ilipofika tap hili eneo, buyers waka take over soko. Everywhere where the market tapped this area, buyers took over the market till this area here, where we count it as our first tap. Then this is the second tap, ikatengeneza kind of a pattern known as this pattern is known as a double bottom. Tunaona hapa the first leg and the second leg was complete until it retest on the neckline to push further onto the uptrend. So tunaona and nitaplot neckline around that area kwa sababu kulifanyika some retest. Kama unavyoona kulikuwa na some kind of retest around the area baada ya neckline, baada ya kutengeneza pattern. So we expect retest on the neckline, then continuation. So after then I will just put my horizontal around this area, no sorry, after then we'll go to take some, tutashuka into lower time frames ili kupata kujua the actual move. So tutaenda weekly time frame. That is the weekly time frame. So this is EURJPY. Just want to remind you guys, kama wewe ni mgeni katika hii YouTube channel, usisahau kusubscribe, like na kucomment. So usisahau kupress notification kwa ajili ya kila videos, ili at the moment tunavyo release video uwe wa kwanza kuview video zetu. So back on the chart guys, tunaona hapa kulikuwa na this push, kulikuwa na kind of resistance around this area, kulikuwa na resistance nzuri sana. So wherever market tried to tap on that area, the sellers took over the market until this resistance was break. Then after the break of the resistance, we actually changed it from resistance sasa inakuwa a support. So after the break we expect this some retest, tulikuwa tunategemea retests, then the bulls take over the market and to add the uptrend. So down again to one day time frame. So after this they create a higher high around that area, so we expect the retest, then the market to push itself further more up. So we normally know that until we have these some kind of testable entries, for example onto an uptrend. When you look on our previous videos, I was actually talking about these moves as this, so this is an uptrend. As we plot our trends along these areas, katika hilo eneo tukiweka trend zetu tunaona kwamba yeah, this is an actually without lying, an actually uptrend. So hiyo ni uptrend iliyokuwa iko wazi. So how can we take entries around that area? So we say after the break of the previous high high, tunategemea this market ije retest katika previous high which was break. So let's take an example. This one is high to higher low, high to higher low, high to higher low. So the previous high was break here, so we expect some retest around that high, as you can see that in the testable entries. So this was a resistance. After it was break, so it turned into support, you see, after the break. So retest, then to take the further push on upwards. So I'll take this again as an opportunity to pick the next entries. As you can see, the previous high here was break, so the market came and retest around the high. So same applies, this concept same applies to here, as we can see on weekly time frame. After the break of this resistance here, it was break, then the retest. Same applies to here, the resistance was break, then retest. As you can see on lower time frame, is clearly seen on lower time frame, it's clearly seen on day time frame. As you can see after it is break here, then retest, as you can see. So after the retest, the market seems to create a kind of double top around that area. So I'll just plot my resistance again, that area. I just plot my resistance again. I'll just plot my resistance again on that area. So we see this is this first touch, and that's the second touch. So wherever we see the double touch, so it creates some kind of pattern. As you see, the first touch pushing downwards, then second touch. We expect that is the double top at the first touch and second touch. So we expect something like this to occur, kind of. So same applies here. We come to see that it's a double top pattern. So as that, this one is our first touch, and without forgetting that this one is our second touch. So we have double touches there, which confirms it as a double top. So this is our neckline. We expect this market to come and break this neckline. We expect this move around this area. So we expect this market to come and break this neckline here, then to come and retest around the neckline for further more down pushes. So let's see, where are we going to get the more entries. So dig into the 4 time frame hours. 4 hours time frame here, we see on the 4 hour we had this kind of double top again here. So that is our neckline, as can plot our neckline around this area. That's our neck. So I'll just plot it on the tails and not the bodies. So I'll just plot it there. So we see this market is nearly or almost to the neckline. So it's obviously on the neckline. We expect some down furthermore pushes till the neckline areas where we plotted these areas here. So I'll just put my horizontals around that area. Before let me just cut off these shorts here and put some horizontal around this area there. So into the 4 hours time frame, so I anticipate some moves until down there. So since the market just break the neckline and some retests are almost done, so we wait for confirmation for it to take some shorts, some sellers to take over. So as we remember, this was a support areas. So after the support was break, this turned into a resistance, so came and retest into the resistance. So as you guys wanted perfect entries, so we have to dig into the lower time frame. For those ICT traders, wale ambao wanatumia ICTs wanaweza wakajua this as a church, watasema kwamba wana note as hii hapo ni change of character. Hiyo ni change of character. So after the change of character, wanatarajia market iende katika order block. So we anticipate order block until 1 hour's time frame as the last print bull candle on a downtrend, last print bull candle. So last print bull candle, there is where we plot our last print bull candle. So that is our order block. So we expect that market iende mpaka eneo lile for it to take more shots. So pale ndo tutanote hiyo ndo order block OB. That is our OB. As you can clearly see it, that's our OB. So we expect this market to come and make some move around that area before down pushes. So just wanna remind you guys, kama wewe ni mpya kwenye hii